Here now, on my manly voyage, get the Xbox 360 back from Kyle. I am walking through this blizzarding snow. The gusts of the wind is blistering my eyes, so I have put my shirt over my face to protect myself. Resuming with the video, the pathway is cut down, so I have to take another way to get through. Oh my goodness, narrowly avoiding the truck. I did not hear it come by. The playground is submerged in snow, as you can clearly see. It looks like the abominable snowman tree right there in that corner. Yeah. How will I traverse back to my neighborhood since the pathway has been covered in snow? I do not know. I will have to find a new pathway, or find somebody that I know cannot see because the shirt is over my face. Here's I have stepped in snow. I am equipped with jeans though, no long johns though. This is all good for my willpower. I uncover my hood for a quick second. The snow is 40 inches deep. Goodness gracious, look at that neighborhood. This wind is outrageous. But the iPhone cannot capture it. Is this a possible pathway into the neighborhood? Let's find out. Yes, it is. Now I proceed through this pathway that's been cleared by possibly the apartment number. Let's get a little closer so I can see 2058. Oh, the wind is picking up. Oh my goodness. Gusty, gusty, gusty. But it cannot be captured by the iPhone camera. Oh, yes it can. God damn. God damn. Proceeding through the neighborhood. Thirsty. Good thing I brought some H2O. Go, 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 go. Well, I've been refueled. Once again, proceeding through the neighborhood. As you can see, the snow's gotten on trees and caused branches to fall. Careful when you're walking outside. If a hard enough ice block hits your head, you will go down. Proceeding through the neighborhood. Mailbox. Possibly a sports car that's been covered. Let's take a left. Well, outrageous. Nope, can't go through that way. I'm in quite the predicament. I need to find a way out. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Knock on Bogisa's door, see what she's doing. Blah, 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 blah. God damn! Oh shit! Almost fell.